Yo, let's get real for a minute. The marketing world is full of noise. You know the type, make $10,000 overnight, or become a millionaire with my secret system. It's all hype, designed to sell you a dream, not a reality. These gurus prey on your desire for quick wins and easy money. They promise the world, but deliver little more than empty webinars and overpriced courses. Don't fall for it. Real success takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. There are no shortcuts. It's time to tune out the noise and focus on what actually works. Let's dive into a different approach: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is about building genuine relationships, not tricking people into clicking links. It's about providing value to your audience by recommending products and services you truly believe in. Think of it as a trusted friend giving a recommendation. You trust their opinion because you know they have your best interests at heart. That's the power of affiliate marketing done right. It's not about pushing products. It's about building trust and credibility. When you genuinely care about your audience and only recommend products that add value to their lives, you build a loyal following. This translates into long-term success. Here's the secret most marketers won't tell you: value is everything. Instead of chasing quick bucks, focus on building a strong foundation of trust and authenticity. Provide valuable content that educates and entertains your audience. Offer solutions to their problems. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Disclose your partnerships up front. When you prioritize your audience's needs, you create a win-win situation. They get valuable information and you earn their trust, leading to sustainable success. Section 4: Real-world success affiliate marketing done right. Don't just take my word for it. Look at the success of platforms like NerdWallet, Wirecutter, and The Points Guy. These companies have built empires by providing in-depth reviews, comparisons, and recommendations. They focus on specific niches and become go-to resources for their audiences. They prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring every recommendation is well-researched and genuinely helpful. These are not overnight successes. They've invested time and effort into understanding their audiences and delivering exceptional value. Section 5: The real secret sauce: focus, strategy, and knowing your audience. So, what's the real secret? It's not a magic formula. It's about laser focus, a solid strategy, and a deep understanding of your audience. Identify your niche, the audience you want to serve, and the problems you want to solve. Craft high-quality content that resonates with your target market. Be patient, consistent, and persistent. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts, but with the right mindset and a commitment to providing value, you can achieve sustainable success. Section 6. Ready to take the plunge? Your affiliate marketing journey begins now. Stop listening to the noise and start building something real. Embrace the power of authenticity. Provide value, build trust. The world of affiliate marketing is vast and full of opportunity. Are you ready to seize it? Your journey starts today. Take that first step and don't look back.